What's going on, guys? It is Potato Bob, and today we are going to be playing Slither.io. Oh, cheeky! Yeah. That was close. Yeah, thank you for leaving one for me. Yes! Oh! Oh! No! Okay. Slow down. Oh, baby. I'm on a pro. Oh no. No! So, I guess that was our score that we have to beat now. 1,700. Not even barely on the leaderboard. Whoa! Okay, maybe now. Oh my. Okay, I think we beat it already. That was close. Whoa! Anyways, I hope you liked my about me and my channel video. I didn't really put a lot into it. I just it's just really an intro to my channel. Damn, 6,000. Didn't even realize. Oh, thank you. Wow, tasty. Oh, thank God, I was gonna die.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, 9,000. What? I really can't wait until I can record footage with, record videos with Meowarino. I don't exactly know how to say his name. I don't know. It's not actually that laggy today. It's lagging. Don't you dare lag on me. It's lagging again. Oh, yummy. Oh, how did I live there? Oh, let's watch that in replay. Anyways, 3,000. Not bad. Ah! Jesus Christ. That was close. Okay, this is gonna be serious mode. 100% seriousness. I'm actually gonna go into tryhard mode right now. No, I'm not. No! Oh my God! The smallest guy! I hope this fox guy here at the bottom doesn't eat me. What is this escape? It's not bad actually. Oh, come on. Crap. Crap. Yeah, it's just, you know, oh crap. The server is so laggy. So I'm slowly getting him. No. No! What? Yeah, I'll help you. Come on. I mean, you stupid lady. I'm gonna pop. Popped. Now, what do I do? Just gonna keep low profile. Still don't stay quiet. Oh my god, they're all over. Is Australia? I'm your friend. Please, 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 please. Oh yeah! That's what you deserve. Come on, Joker. I know you want it. This is Potato Bob signing out. Peace. It's very unprofessional, but I'm not a professional, so. Who can say where the road goes, where the day... I don't know.